Every day, brands spend millions on ads, hoping they connect. It's often a high-cost gamble.
But what if you could predict a campaign's performance before spending a single dollar? AI is making this possible.
This isn't about clicks. AI can now analyze the emotional response an advertisement will likely trigger.
And its role doesn't stop at testing.
AI is fundamentally changing how ads are conceived and created.
So how does this work?
We'll break down how AI creates, how it tests, and what it means for human creativity.
Let's begin with the creative process.
How is AI shifting from a simple tool to an active participant in creation? At its most basic, AI is a powerful assistant. It automates tedious work, like resizing assets or generating simple copy. But its real strength begins with scale. AI can generate thousands of headlines and copy variations in minutes. This applies globally, producing localized ads that reflect cultural nuances much faster than manual adaptation. The result? Campaigns that once took weeks to prepare can now be launched in just days, or even hours.
Generating variations is one thing, but can AI have a truly original idea?
You'll find out the answer shortly. With thousands of ad variations, simple A versus B testing is no longer sufficient to understand what works. This is where multivariate testing comes in. It analyzes countless combinations: headline, image, color, and call to action.
It doesn't just find the best headline.
It finds the best headline for a specific image, audience, and placement. Why does this matter? It reveals the synergy between elements, allowing for optimization that was previously impossible. We mentioned AI can predict success. This testing is part of it. But how does its predictive ability get sharper? It analyzes patterns to forecast the likelihood an ad will be skipped, allowing proactive changes to heighten engagement.
It also examines competitor ad strategies in real time,
providing insights to make your own campaigns stand apart. The impact is huge. By forecasting performance, AI models identify losing creatives before launch, saving ad spend. The most profound insight, however, comes from looking past metrics to emotion. AI can measure joy, surprise, or confusion. Using sentiment analysis and facial coding, it captures authentic, subconscious reactions at an unprecedented scale. This data then fuels hyper-personalization. Ads can be automatically adjusted to an individual's real-time behavior. We've seen how AI creates at scale and tests with incredible precision. So where does this leave human creatives? Remember our question: can AI have an original idea? The answer is increasingly yes, it can. By learning from vast data sets of campaigns and cultural trends, some AIs can generate entirely new ad concepts. This capability extends to synthetic media, generating new images and videos. What this means for ethics is a major question, but AI can also bring a positive adjustment. It can be trained to identify human biases in copy or imagery. So is AI a tool, a creator, or a replacement? The most accurate answer is that it's becoming a partner. Think about the two parts we've discussed: massive creative iteration and deeply predictive testing. AI merges them into a continuous feedback loop, where creation informs testing and testing instantly refines creation. This is why the fear of replacement is misplaced. It's a co-pilot, managing data so humans can focus on brand vision. The ultimate expression of this is real-time optimization, where AI adjusts live campaigns to maximize performance. This isn't a distant future. This integrated, intelligent system is the new standard in advertising. What does this mean for you? We've shifted from a linear process of create, test, launch to a cyclical, intelligent system where every step is informed by AI. Artificial intelligence is making advertising more efficient, effective, and attuned to human emotion than ever before. The future of advertising is not machine versus human. It is about human vision amplified by artificial intelligence. The challenge is not to compete with AI, but to collaborate with it. Those who do will define the next era of advertising.